In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Overstock. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips to make tracking fast and stress-free. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Overstock. Click the official site to avoid lookalikes. You'll know you're in the right place when the URL clearly shows the Overstock domain and the page loads with their familiar branding. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and select the account option. This opens a small menu where you'll choose Sign In. On the Sign In page, enter the email and password you use for your Overstock account, then continue. If you ever run into trouble, use the password reset option and make sure you're signing in on the official site. Some accounts may prompt for a quick verification step for security, so just follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. After signing in, return to the account area at the top right. From there, select Orders and Returns. This is the hub for everything related to your recent purchases. You'll land on your order history, where you can see a list of your orders with the most recent ones at the top. Each entry typically shows the order date, the items, and the current status, such as processing, shipped, or delivered. To view more details, choose the order you want to track. This opens a detailed page that includes the order number, the total amount, the shipping method, and your delivery address. Most importantly, you'll see shipment updates and tracking information once the order has shipped. Look for a tracking number or a track package link. Clicking that link takes you to the carrier's page, where you can see the latest scans, the current location, and the estimated delivery date. If your purchase ships in multiple packages, each one will have its own tracking entry in the same area. If you don't see tracking yet, the order may still be processing. That's normal while the warehouse prepares your items. Check back a little later and keep an eye on your email for a shipping confirmation that often includes the tracking link as well. If the carrier page shows no movement, give it a day for the scans to update, as some systems take time to refresh. That's it. To wrap up, remember that orders and returns under your account is the one place you need. Sign out if you're on a shared device and consider bookmarking your account page for quicker access next time. Happy tracking!